Good morning, student. Welcome back in this class. Today, I am going to discuss about some numerical problem which is based on the combination of the resistance in series or parallel. In the previous session, we have completed the concept of the combination of the resistance in series and parallel. So now let us start. First of all, we will discuss about the first question of the numerical problem, which is related to the combination of the resistance. So the first question of in this video, that is, in the circuit shown in the figure given alongside, calculate the current flowing through the arms AB, AC and CD. The first question is given, that is current flowing through the arms AB, AC and CD. And the next question, that is potential difference across AB, CD and DE. Potential difference across AB, CD and DE. So here is the circuit diagram is given here, and the first question, current flowing through the arms AB, AC and CD. So here is the arm AB, and these are the resistor are used in 12 ohms, and potential difference or voltage is given in this circuit, that is 1.5 volt. So we can see that current I1 flows across through the arm AB and current I2 flows across through the arm CDE. So first question in this diagram, that is the current flowing through the arms AB, AC and CD. So here the current flowing through arm AB. So here the current, according to the Ohm's law, we know that potential difference equal to electric current into resistance. So V equal to IR. So this formula applied in here, then electric current I equal to V by R. So apply this formula in this question. So here the current flowing through the R AB, and 12 omega resistor are used in this R AB. So current flow across through the 12 omega, that is I by V by R, and potential difference is given here, that is 1.5 volt. So here the potential difference V 1.5 resistance here is the 12, that is 12 omega. So now we calculate here the 1.5 divided by 12, that is 0.125 ampere. So here the first question, current flowing through the arm AB, that is here I1, the value of I1 is 0.125, and next is the current flow through the arm CDE. So we can see that current flowing through CDE. So here is the current flow across through the arm CDE. So in this arm, there the two resistors are used, that is 6 ohms and 4 ohms. So in this arm CDE, there the two resistors are used in this arm, that is 6 and another is 4. And these resistors are used in the series combination. As you know that 6 and 4 are used in the series combination. According to the series combination, if two or more than two resistors are joined end to end, and current will be same in each resistor and potential difference in different in each resistor. So here is the arm CDE, there are the two resistors. First is the 6 and second is the 4. Then 6 ohms and 4 ohms are connected end to end, and they are said to be the series combination. So according to the series combination equivalent resistance, we know that R equal to net R equivalent resistance. If the resistance are used in the series combination in the circuit, so we know that equivalent or net resistance R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R2. So here in this circuit, the arm CDE, there are the two resistors. First is the 6 and second is the 4. They are used in the series combination. So here the equivalent resistance, that is 6 plus 4. Then current flowing through the arm CDE, we know that the current I equal to potential difference by resistance V by R. So here the potential difference is given, that is the 1.5 volt. 1.5, and the resistors are used in the 6 and 4, or they are connected in the series combination. So here the equivalent resistance, that is 6 plus 4. Then 1.5 divided by 10. The value of 1.5 divided by 10, that is 0.15. 0.15. So current across through the arm CDE I2, that is 0.15 ampere. So here the first question in this circuit, current flowing through arms AB, AC and CDE. So here is the first is the potential difference or voltage is given in the 1.5 volt. Current I1 flows across through the arm 12 ohms. So that is the I1. So here is the current, that is V by potential difference by resistance, and these are only 12 ohms resistor are used in this way, that is 12. So potential difference by resistance, that is 0.125 ampere. So now we can see that current flowing through the arm CDE, that is there are two resistors are used, 6 and 4. There the two resistors are used in this arm, and these resistors are connected in the series combination. So according to the series combination, the equivalent resistance R1 plus R2 is applied here. So potential difference is 1.5 volt. Then 6 plus 4, that is 1.5 by 10. The value of 1.5 by 10, that is 0.15 ampere. So now next, that AC. What is the value of current I in the arm AC? So arm AC is here, that is arm AC, and the value of current in the arm AC, that is AC current flows flowing across arm AC. So what is the value of current? So in this circuit, here is the potential difference. We know that the electric current flows the positive terminal to negative terminal. So here is the net current flows I, and this there are the two root here. First is the AB and second is the AC. So current I1 flows across through the arm AB, and current I2 flows across the arm AC, and then move to the CDE. So it is clear that electric current in this arm CD is same as the current flows arm in AC. So it is clear that current I2 flows across the arm AC is same as the current I2 flows across the arm CDE. So current flow across the arm CDE. So it is clear that current flowing through across of the CDE is 0.15 ampere. So current flow across through the CDE, that is 0.15 ampere. So current I2 flows across the arm AC, same as the current flows across the arm CDE. Okay. Now next question is here, potential difference. Potential difference across AB. Potential difference across AB, CD and D. So here is the arm AB in the circuit. Then potential difference. Across arm AB. Potential difference across arm AB, that the arm AB is here, and in this arm the resistance are used in 12 ohms resistor. Then potential difference according to Ohm's law, we know that potential difference is same as I into R. So here the potential difference AB across to the AB, that is I into R. So resistor, the value of resistor is 12 ohms, and current in the R AB. In the previous session we have already calculated the electric current across through the AB, that is the value of I1 0.15 ampere, and the value of I2, that is AB 0.125 ampere, and the value of I2 0.15 ampere. 0.15 ampere. So here is the potential difference. In the previous session we have already calculated the electric current in the arm AB and CD. So now in this question, potential difference across AB, CD and D. So potential difference across of AB, that is electric current into resistance. Then electric current flows across AB, that is 0.125, and the resistor are used in the arm AB is here 12 omega. Then multiply 0.125 into so here the potential difference across the arm AB, that is potential difference, we know that the I into R. Then potential difference is here in the arm AB, that is 1.5 volt. So electric current is here 0.125 and resistance are in this path, that is 12 omega. So multiply in the electric current into resistance, that is potential difference, and potential difference is here 1.5 volt in arm AB. Now next is the potential difference in the arm CD. So potential difference in arm AB, CD. So here the CD, in this arm CD, the resistor are used in the arm CD is here 6 omega. So what is the potential difference in this arm? We know that 6 and 4 omega are connected in the series combination, and in the series combination we know that the potential difference in each resistor will be different and current will be same. So in the arm CD here, the potential difference in different from the 4 omega resistor. So in this arm CD, that is the potential difference CD, then potential difference equal to I into R. So here the electric current I2 flows across the CD, then ID into R. So the value of resistor is in the arm CD is here 6 omega, 6, and current, the value of current is here 0.15 ampere, 0.15 ampere. Then the value of 0.15 into 6, that is 0.9 volt. So in this arm CD, the potential difference, that is 0.9 volt. So now next question, potential difference across DE. So here the potential difference across DE. Next, potential difference across DE. So in this arm DE, where the 4 omega resistor are used in this arm, so potential difference, that is, we know that the potential difference, that is V equal to I into R, and electric current in this arm flows 0.15 ampere. So I into R, and this arm DE, the current I2 flows. Then value of I2 we have already calculated, that is 0.15, and the value of R2 equal to 4. Then multiply of the 0.15, 0.6 volt. So that is 0.6 volt. So here the in this circuit potential difference across AB, CD and D. The value of potential difference across the D, that is 0.6 volt.